Elia, what are you doing?
I'm going to give this mail to Santa.
You're mailing something to Santa? What is it? Show me.
A card.
Show me.
Hold the card like
Show me
this.
before it's gone in the mail. I want to see what it looks like. Can you put it down here so Daddy can get a better picture? Put it in front of your chest. Okay, so you're going to put it in our mailbox and put the flag up so it will go to the North Pole? Because you addressed it to Santa Claus at the North Pole, right?
Yes.
Well, I sure hope it gets there in time. I think you'll be okay. I think today's a good day.
Let's do it.
All right, so there it is, going in the mail. Closing it up tight.
Close.
Just push it. Okay, and then the flag has to go up. Elia, that's the first mail you've ever sent, I think. Look at me. What did you just do?
I sent a letter to Santa.
Oh my goodness. Well, I hope you remember what all it said. I love you, sweetie.
I love you
Isn't it exciting, Daddy?
It is.
Our little girl just mailed a letter to Santa Claus. Did you tell him everything that you were looking for and how good you've been all year?
Yes.
Oh, I hope he knows. Because you don't want a lump of coal, do you?
No.
No. Okay, sweetie. We love you.
We love you too.
Good luck at your little recital.
Okay.
Okay, we're going there now. Bye-bye.